Jquan just dropped the one like what 2-3 hours ago. The one named Time Machine. I check it out and do it. Jquan, very talented artist, you know, dog. You see me and say, me actually think him not get enough shine he's supposed to be getting. And part of that is I would try to say like Jquan consistency. Them but like the time has changed now. So when you have busters as a new artist, so once you get their look in there, you're supposed to have tune line up. Or if not line up already, you're supposed to be ready to go make tune for drop tune. Damn near a tune every 2 weeks. You see me? A tune every month is not. You know what I'm saying? When you start out, if you want to try to solidify yourself, you try to take over the game. A tune every month. I don't think that's enough. I think every 2 weeks, niggas gotta like look like. When you try to be hot, you drop a tune every 2 weeks. And another artist can keep up with that. You see me what I'm saying? And then look at Chronicle, them man, drop a tune them every damn day. You see me? But yeah, like Jquan, you need to drop a tune every 2 weeks, brother. You see me? I say you drop a blood play tune. Cause dog have a talent, you know. You see me, dog have a talent. Just need to say that if you get in the algorithm, get in the people mind algorithm. You see me? I say, let's get it.
Good life. Fun for life.
Cause Jquan can sing on the dark, can bumbo class with man, and he have some lyrics.
If time travel was real, enough things my mama wouldn't fail.
If time travel was, wait, say free or real? Enough things you know, bomba. Everybody, how the blood? Why everybody? I'm like in a life, this are the main team. Well, have wealthy niggas anyway, bro. I am never. Why is this like there's this like underlying theme or overlying theme, or there's this constant theme across the damn music. Them be heartbreaking blood. How the blood clean?
Wish me could have.
Well, I guess you gotta speak on speaking on relatable with it. Alright.
I go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If me coulda go back in a time, people me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time.
Oh my God, another heartbroken nigga this. Got you. Yeah, man said we could have go back in that time, we would have go and shoot that clean door, that clean one.
Wish me could have go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If me could have go back in a time.
Clean man said we could have go back in a time with a fix mistake. But watch you.
Wish me could have go back in a time, change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties.
Bumbo clad, go back in a blood clad time. When you say, fix mistakes, press rewind. When you say fix mistakes, press rewind. Okay, change of thing, press rewind, fix mistake and take back choice. Okay, that bad.
My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If me could have go back in a time, people me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time.
Say you have to go back time, people who me love probably wouldn't die. You see me and say,
probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me could have go back in a time, I would change everything that is causing me pain. I would vow to myself to never love again.
I'm not found no bumble niggas out here sing, but oh, me so stop it. A bumble like girl probably not got you that and go like say. The world at end. How they bomb buckling? I'm tired of them tune that dog. Every minute these niggas the pants are heartbroken. How they blood clean? What's wrong with y'all, man? Seek some help.
I've been hurt, I will never.
Tune them bad though. And it's relatable because people go through stuff like that. But you know, I'm just saying, I'm just highlighting, I'm just saying.
forget. If me coulda go back in a time, enough things wouldn't be the same. In enough fool, me woulda see the change. Still while I'm fool, coulda never tame. Still corrupt and dark, so I'm forever stay. I know some wish.
Still while I'm fool, coulda never tame. Still corrupt and dark.
Still while I'm fool, coulda never tame. Still corrupt and dark, so I'm forever stay. I know some wish you coulda touch a lane. Wish me coulda touch you and take for the pain. If me know your time, me tell you change the lane.
That's much that I dog there, man say, yeah, enough people in the dead. You see me, man say, can I go back in that time, brother, and change say, don't take the road, there, me G. You see me, I say, take care of that road, me G. Don't walk down this, you walk down this every night. Tonight morning, you walk down this, so. Yeah, me know it longer, but take the one that me charge, just take my foolish advice. Don't take the shortcut, where you normally take. Don't take it. You see me, I say that, I say, yeah, wishing can I go back in that time, man. You see me, I say, I guess I saw you in charge, drop out.
Some forever stay. I know some wish you coulda touch a lane. Wish me coulda touch you and take for the pain. If me know your time, me tell you change the lane. But since you gone, nothing I know the same. Where you gone? Where you there now? Just one day we good, look how we end up. Look how we say we not gonna dead up. And my heart a bleed, but me can't tell you.
Man, yes, man, the one there. No, this is a reasonable. It's a reasonable. If you need a time machine, this is reasonable. You see me, I say that, I say if you do it, could I tell you in charge, say, yeah, don't go to someone, my brother. You must dreams and things where we talk about and aspirations where we have very tell me the no man because I say very because right now you drop on me G. Hard fuck up and me can't even tell me G. You see me, I say me that. Yeah, cha.
Wish heaven have a radio station. They can hear my song, them call them a play for. Still I hope so you get the message ASAP. Wanna see you again. Wish me coulda go back in a time. Change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes.
Man say you wish heaven did have a blood cleat radio station. Whoa, blood cleat. Say you can't hear me song because we start about this before you go and say yo. You see me and say the tune them a go chop me G. Tune them a go blast. And look here, you're gone and I can't even see it. You don't pay off. You see me? Yeah, man.
Wanna see you again. Wish me coulda go back in a time. Change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fine. If me coulda go back in a time. People me love, them probably wouldn't die. All who diss me, them probably wouldn't try. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me coulda go back in a time, I would change. Everything that is causing me pain, I would vow to myself to never love again. All the times I've been hurt, I will never forget. Still wish we could have go back in a time. Still wish we could have go back in a time.
Jquan, go back time machine. Wish you could have go back in a time. When say yo, change enough things, press rewind. Say fix mistakes and take back choice. Big up your damn self, Jquan. This bad. Okay, so this wasn't about no damn heartbreak. This was actually my singing to him. Chargy. Actually got murdered 3 years ago. You see me? I say, dog, I try to say, but I tell you, say, yo, you see me? I didn't know man I have a time machine. Let's go back in the time and say, dog, don't take the lane there tonight. You see me? I say, don't go the road there tonight. Don't rate it. You see me? I say, because right now, me G, you take the road there, you know, you're gone. All of the things that we talk about, all the dreams and aspirations, them are coming to fruition and you ain't even there. You see, man, when you tell you, say, yo, I can't even chat to you, even have a radio station, so you can't hear the tune. So you can see what I gone, so you think large, like how they plan it. You see me, I say? You don't know, one of them things there, you see me, I say? But big up Jquan, though, powerful track, no joke, powerful tune. You see me, if you just a forward in, tap up your like button, man, you see me,